Hi there, this is Mary. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious rum bundt cake. First I'm oiling and greasing this pan and flouring it, spreading it with a brush to make sure it gets in there and all those crevices. Now I'm taking just a regular yellow cake mix. Now I'm taking a 4-serving container of instant pudding mix and putting that in there, and that's a half a cup of water, half a cup of rum, and a half a cup of vegetable oil. Now I'm adding 4 large eggs. I always like to crack them separately in a different bowl in case any shell gets in there. Got to charge extra for that. All 4 of those eggs going in. Now you start your mixer on low just to get everything mixed up at first. Once it's mixed up, you're going to go for 2 minutes on medium. Once that's done, make sure you get those sides and the bottom scraped up. There you go. Now just pour the whole thing in there. This is a 10-cup bundt pan. I wouldn't go any smaller than that, but you could definitely do a bigger one if you wanted. And you'll see what I'm talking about when we take it out of the oven. Now it's going to go in the oven, a 350-degree preheated oven, for about an hour after we tap it on the counter a few times to get those air bubbles out and make sure everything gets deep into those crevices. Now I'm touching it. You touch it and it springs back. It's done. Now I'm squishing it down because I don't want to cut it off. I don't want to cheat the customer. I don't want to cut that part off. They're entitled to that cake, so I just squished it down. I poked some holes in it so that I could pour this rum syrup in there. This rum syrup is 1/2 cup of butter, so that's 1 stick. And you melt that, and then you're going to add 1/4 cup of water and a cup of sugar. Cook it on medium heat until it starts to boil, and then you're going to boil it for 5 minutes. Stir constantly. Now remove it from the heat. I do know how to operate that little stove. I swear I've done it a million times. Now that the heat's been turned off, go ahead and add that 1/2 cup of rum. So that's 1 cup total in the whole cake. 1/2 cup in the cake actually, and then 1/2 cup in the syrup. Now I'm just pouring it in this cup to make it easier to pour it. I'm just pouring it over the top. Then the cake has to cool completely, about 10-15 minutes. Now I'm turning it out on this plate. Look how pretty that is. It's so perfect. Thank you, Paul and Amanda. I love this new bundt pan you just gave me for Christmas. Now I'm poking holes all over. Now you can use a toothpick for this or a skewer. You want to make sure you make a lot of holes all over it. Top, bottom, middle, everywhere. Now I'm going to brush it with this syrup, this rum and sugar and butter syrup. And you want to make sure that you cover the entire cake. This is going to make it not just taste rummy, but it's also going to make this cake super, super moist. Now I'm done painting. Now I'm going to pour. And see that gut on the bottom of that tray there? I just use a brush and use that up and put it back on there. Now I'm dusting it with some powdered sugar. You have to do this a couple of times because that powdered sugar disappears in all that syrup. And there you have it. I'm taking this to a party, so I can't take a taste of it. But trust me, I've made a few of them, and these are delicious. Thanks for watching. You take care now.